bear gave me a string. Oh wait, she's got a sticker on her hand.
Let's see the sticker, Maddie. Do you have a sticker on your hand?
I think her hand has writing on it.
Which hand?
The right hand.
I guess you forgot about the sticker. Where is it exactly?
It's on his palm. I hope it's a sticker.
Oh, no, she's still interested in it. She's like, what is this thing on my hand?